Hello once again, what's up audience? Emgoscus here, and yes, I'm finally back with another video. This time, we're playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. I'm not going to do anything special for this. I'm just going to simply just play some Mario Kart, specifically single player versus race. Character select. Let's see. You know what, Sonic? We're just going to do it. We're just going to go for a classic. If I can't wait. What is this? Oh god. That looks bad. Yeah, we're just gonna go for a classic. Waluigi Wiggler. We're just gonna do just standard racing. Let's do 150 custom items. We'll do hard CPU. Let's do, how long is this recording? Let's do, okay, sorry, let's do 12 races. Random races, all vehicles, normal, okay, so 150cc, no teams, normal items, hard CPU, all vehicles, 12 random courses. I've actually played Mario Kart in my spare time for quite a while, and as I've gained like all the trophies from all the speeds, I've kind of realized that even hard CPU isn't really that hard, so screw it, let's go. Start race. My goal really for this is to just make it onto the top 3. Make it onto the top 3 spot at the end of this. Okay, what track do we have first? All the Swamp Ruins, okay. Don't know if I'm gonna get copyrighted for even playing this, but whatever. Also, I don't know too many of the tricks in this game, so for all you Mario Kart hardcores out there, like JP Givener and somebody else have been watching, you might want to leave this video. Let's go. Hey, goodbye, Iggy. Eat it. Okay, in the water. Oh no! No, Iggy, you're not taking this. Yeet, get over there. Get over there. Yeet. Okay. I can't hit that sign. I really want to hit that thing up there. The sign. No! What am I doing? Get on the track. And somebody took my red shell. Oh no! I'm dead! It was him. Blue shell? Come on! Okay, I didn't get stunned or whatever. Wait, I want to see this. I know I'm probably wasting a lot of time, but yeah, there we go. Okay, let's go. No. What's that? Tricycle versus Mike? God dang it, what am I saying? Just go. Go. No! God dang it. Just go. Yeet. Spam this. Nope, I'm not hitting. Did I hit anyone? I took out all the dandelions. I don't know if you can see that, but... no. Don't hit me. I'm dead. I'm not. Hang on. Okay, I'll explain after. Hang on. No! Please don't. No! Okay. Eat. I'm dead. Oh no! Yeet. Oh, come on! I'm not just in time, ready? Well, not in time for the banana. Oh. didn't see the leaderboard, but yeah. I might be making more Mario Kart videos and like actually setting challenges for myself. But yeah, I might actually make more Mario Kart 8 videos and actually like set up challenges for myself. Maybe. You might see more content of Mario Kart 8 on this channel. But yeah, next race. Ribbon Road. Where's the crowd? I guess they are the crowd. Whatever, let's go. Ha! Okay. Yeet. Oh my god, that was a terrible little mini turbo. I'm dead. Well, we're off to a terrible start. There goes Roy? No, that's the pink one with glasses. Morton. Sounds a lot like Martin. No. Oh, come on! Stop falling off the edge. Into the little. What? Who hit me? Probably shouldn't have wasted that. I know some, again, Mario Kart Hardcore is gonna be really angry. Like, where did you waste the horn? Okay, I get it. Oh no! I'm dead. Oh geez, 7 minutes long. Probably should have done like four races. Oh no, blue shell, come on! I'm dead! Oh no, I'm dead. Yeet, up there. Are you serious? Oh come on! That is not cool. God dang it. Oh my god. Don't let me. First place, yeah. This video might end up being too long because like, the recording now is like 9 minutes almost. I think I might do 4 races. I'm not sure. We'll see. The recording is too long. So, Cloud Top Cruise. Ooh. Yeah, you know what, son? I'm just gonna leave it at 4. I'm just gonna do 4 races. Waluigi, well done. Well done. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave. I'm just gonna do 4 races. I think 12 might be too much for my first video. Others might say, no, that's not enough. You gotta do more. But no, I think I might just do 4 and then leave it at that. So again, same goal. Make it onto the first top 3 at the end of this. But now we're only doing 4 races. I'm dead! Don't kill me. What's gonna hit? Shock. Or not. Oh no! All my shells. No, come on. Yeet or not. No yeets. Okay. Coin. No red shell. I'm dead. Ayya! That didn't hit me, or that didn't kill me. Didn't hit anyone. Yeah, we're just gonna have this be the final race because the recording is like 12 minutes, and I feel like going more than that is like way too much for my first video back. So yeah, we're just gonna have this be the final race. Sorry. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if I do Mario Kart again, you won't be seeing any DLC levels, so any of like the extra levels, like the Maple Treeway or whatever it's called, those ones, you won't be seeing them because I don't have a membership. I did before, but there's a funny story. Well, not funny story. Hang on, I'll explain later. Miss all the coins, why not, Chat? Jesus, like 4 coins, you missed all 4 of them. I'm dead. Oh no! That was so close. Little snake. Oh yeah. Oh, I hit both of them. Oh no! Small price to pay for salvation. Also, Bowser City, or Bowser City soundtrack sounds a lot like Toad's Turnpike, especially that piece. Hit the thing. Oh my god, it went over. I'm dead again! Is there another blue shell? No, no blue shell. Yeah. Eat. Who's behind me? Oh no, Larry! I'm dead! I swear to God, if I come second place. Oh my god, come on. 5th? That's not cool. This is not acceptable. Yeet. Oh, I hit someone. Yeet. We're out of here. Oh, come on, I missed again. I wanted to hit that. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this here. Because, I've come to realize the recording is like 5 minutes. 15 minutes, sorry. And we've only done 4 races. Maybe next time. No! God dang it. Okay, well that's gonna do it for the first episode of Mario Kart. You might actually see some more Mario Kart. Okay, well that's gonna do it for the first episode of Mario Kart. Like I said before, this might not be my only Mario Kart video. You might actually see some more Mario Kart videos because who knows, I might come back here and make more challenges for myself. Actually, that's exactly what I plan to do. Like one challenge is for me to try to get first 3 places with, I think, like the worst combination in the game. But yeah, stay tuned. You might see some more so yeah, stay tuned. You might end up seeing some more Mario Kart content on this channel. And also, I promise this is going to be the longest, I guess, pause in between videos that you're gonna see, because the reason why I haven't uploaded a lot recently is kind of complicated. I might put it in the description for you guys to read, because I have no wishes to I guess I don't really want to say out loud why I haven't uploaded any videos. It's complicated, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave it here. So with that said, thanks for watching. Bless your face. If you sneeze during this video, bless you. Peace off. You can really tell I haven't done that in a while because my outro, like, that was really sloppy. I'll get it right next time.